Now this don't make no lick of sense. Me out here in the pouring rain to go and get some yarn. But y'all know how we do, right? I'm telling you, I'll probably go through a storm to come and get some yarn or to go get yarn. How about you? I want y'all to let me know in the comments, what would you do? What would Jesus do? Catch it. All right, y'all. I'm getting ready to do the walk of shame. Oh my God. I had an order in here and I just had to come and pick it up, okay? Oh my goodness. I'm going in, y'all. I'm going in. Brace for shock. Hope I don't buy anything, right? They restocked, y'all. Y'all better come and get them. Here you go. Filled to the brim. All this. Y'all better get one. Buy one, get one, 50% off.
It's gotta be over here. She said 52.
Okay, let's see if they got over here. Okay. I'm gonna get one 50% off. Black Friday sale. Alright, I have to show y'all some yarn real quick. Okay. A lot of colors. Let's see what they got over here. I better get some. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, reds in stock. Reds in stock. $4.99. Oh, they restocked. Look at all this big twist, y'all. It's a big bin full. Y'all better get some. There's a lot of colors in here. And there's another big bin over here.
Doing okay, honey?
Yes, ma'am. I'm happy y'all got the big twist back.
Yeah.
Restocked.
Getting more and more.
Yay! I'm so excited. Oh, look at this. Oh my gosh. Look at this, y'all. Look at all these. And yep, it's buy one, get one half off. Y'all better get y'all some of this yarn. I'm trying to refrain from buying any of this yumminess. Oh my God, oh my God. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, look at that. Look, 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 look. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm in heaven. This big twist. This is what y'all been looking for. See? It is here. All right. They have an array of colors now. Oh my goodness. Look at that. All big twists. Ooh. Finally. Finally. We've been waiting for this to come in. Here are some more anniversary cakes. For those that haven't seen it, just these are the special editions. So they have a couple more bins here. Restocked the big twist value pounds since I last came. They have more colors in here, but I can see that they're going quickly. So you better get yours now. And keep in mind, this is 1,093 yards, okay? So that's 1,000 meters and 500 grams. So you can crochet away and continue a project, all right? Without having to keep joining yarn, okay? So all of this yarn right now for the Black Friday sale is buy one, get one half off. And they have the yarn back there. That's a beautiful sight. Oh, that's right. Remember when you're in the store to look up. Because they have anything you want right now. All right. There's some right here. They have restocked and they are ready for you all to come in and get what you need for your projects. If you're doing something for Christmas, you may be able to find the colors that you need right now. All right, I have to go. But I love y'all. Talk to you soon.